Hello, today we are going on a trip.
We will learn English for every step at the airport.
But wait, I forgot something important.
What is it, Jack?
I will tell you at the end. Let's go. Wow, look at the airport. It is huge.
Yes, it is very busy today, Jack.
Before we start, please click the like button.
Yes, it helps us make more videos for you. Thank you.
Now, I hope we're not late. What time is it?
It is 8 a.m. Our flight is at 11 a.m.
Oh, good. We have 3 hours.
It is better to be early than late.
True. Now, where do we go first?
We need to find the departures entrance.
I see the sign. It says International Departures.
That is for us. We are flying to another country.
Okay, let's grab our bags from the taxi.
Be careful, Jack. The traffic is fast here.
I have my backpack. Do you have your suitcase?
Yes, I have everything. Let's walk to the automatic doors.
The doors opened by themselves, like magic.
That is called a sensor, Jack.
We arrived early at International Departures. My bag is very heavy on my shoulder.
We need a trolley. Look over there.
Ah, luggage card. I see them.
Do we need a coin to use it?
Let me check. No, it is free.
Great. Pull one out for us, please.
It is stuck. Okay, I got it.
Put the big suitcases on the bottom.
Okay, one blue bag, one red bag.
And put the small bags on the top hook.
This is much easier to push.
But be careful not to hit anyone.
I will drive slowly. Beep, beep.
Jack, look at the floor. It is so shiny.
Yes, airports are always very clean.
Okay, driver, take us to the check-in area.
We put our heavy bags on a trolley. Lucy, stop. Look at that giant screen.
That is the big departure board.
There are so many numbers and cities.
We need to find our destination. Where are we going?
We are going to London.
Shh, not so loud. Look for London on the list.
I am looking. Paris, Tokyo. Ah, London.
What is the flight number next to it?
It says BA 452.
And what is the status? Is it delayed?
No, the yellow letters say on time.
Perfect. And which desk do we go to?
Column 3 says desk 12 to 15.
Okay, we need to find numbers 12 to 15.
I think they are to the left.
No, Jack. Look at the sign. They're to the right.
You were right. My navigation is bad today.
Jack, wait. Where is your passport?
Oh no, did I lose it? Let me check my pockets.
Check quickly. We need it for the next step.
We checked the board and found our desk.
Good morning. Passports and tickets, please.
Phew, I found it. Here is my passport.
And here is mine. Are you checking any bags? Yes, 2 suitcases, one for each of us. Please place them on the scale. Go ahead, Lucy. Ladies first. 18 kilograms. That is fine. Next bag?
Here comes the heavy one.
22 kilograms, just under the limit.
Phew, I packed too many shoes.
Window or aisle seat? Window for me, please. I like the view.
I will take the aisle. I have long legs.
Here are your boarding passes. Gate B5.
Thank you very much.
We checked our bags and got our seats.
Now we have to go through security.
This is the most strict part of the airport.
We need to be ready so we don't hold up the line.
What do I need to take out of my bag?
Electronics. Take out your laptop and tablet.
Okay, I will put them in a separate tray.
Also, do you have any liquids?
I have a small hand cream. It is 50 ml.
That is okay. It is under 100 ml. Put it in a plastic bag.
What about my jacket?
You must take it off, and your belt too.
Security takes a lot of time.
It is for everyone's safety, Lucy.
I know. I am taking off my boots now.
Good idea. Sometimes boots have metal in them.
Okay, I have 3 gray trays ready.
We separated liquids and electronics.
Step forward, walk through. I will go first. Watch me, Lucy. Beep, beep, beep. Stop, step back. Oh no, why did it beep? Keys in pocket? Let me check. Oops, my keys.
Jack, you always forget your keys.
Try again. Sorry, walking through again. Clear. Next.
Here I go. I am nervous.
Keep moving.
I made it. No beeping.
Great job. Now collect your stuff quickly.
We walked through the metal detector.
Wait, before we get coffee, I have a question.
A question for me?
No, a question for our friends watching.
Ooh, what is the question?
Where do you want to travel?
That is a great question. I want to go to Italy.
Tell us in the comments below. We read every answer.
Yes, practice your English writing in the comments.
We are officially airside now.
Look at all the shops. It looks like a mall.
This is duty-free, no tax on these items.
That perfume smells nice, but we don't need it.
Are you hungry? I smell coffee.
Yes, let's get a drink before the flight.
There's a cafe, Cloud Coffee.
Hi, what can I get you?
1 black coffee, please.
And a cappuccino, extra foam. $10, please.
That is expensive, but okay, here is my card.
Airport prices are always high, Jack.
The coffee is hot. Ouch, my tongue.
Be careful, let it cool down.
We bought expensive coffee at Duty Free.
We should find gate B5 now.
Follow the yellow signs. B1, B3, B5.
There are a lot of people waiting here.
Let's find 2 empty seats.
Over there, near the window, we can see the planes.
Look at that big plane. It is huge.
I need to charge my phone. Is there a plug?
Yes, there's a USB port under the seat.
Flight BA452, boarding in 10 minutes. Shh, listen, Jack.
It is just the boarding announcement.
I should get my passport ready again.
Yes, keep it in your hand. Do not lose it.
I am so excited to fly.
Me too. Traveling is the best education.
Jack, the screen says gate change.
What? Are we at the wrong gate?
Look, it's blinking red.
We waited at the gate and charged phones.
Now boarding at gate B5. Oh, it stopped blinking. It is still gate B5.
Phew, you scared me.
Let's join the line.
Have your pass open on the page.
Boarding pass. Here. Beep. Have a nice flight. Thank you. We are walking down the bridge now.
It is called a jet bridge. It connects to the plane.
The air feels different here, cooler.
I can see the plane door. The flight attendants are smiling.
Welcome aboard. Hello. We are in row 15. Down the aisle to your right. We scanned our tickets and walked on board.
Row 10, row 12, row 15. Here we are.
Okay, I have seat 15C, that is the aisle.
And I have 15A, the window.
We need to put our bags up.
The overhead bin is very high. Can you reach?
Yes, I am tall. There, it fits perfectly.
I will keep my handbag under the seat in front of me.
Good plan. Now sit down. We are blocking the aisle.
Sorry, everyone. Sitting down now.
Where is the seatbelt? Ah, here.
Click. Make sure it is tight and low.
I am comfortable. The legroom is okay.
Jack, look. The plane is moving backwards.
That is called pushback.
It feels real now. We're leaving.
We stowed our bags and buckled up. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. Lucy, stop looking out the window. Watch the crew.
They are doing the safety demonstration.
It is serious, Lucy.
They are pointing to the emergency exits.
2 at the front, 2 in the middle, 2 at the back.
Now they are showing the life vest. It is under the seat.
And the oxygen mask. Remember, help yourself first.
Why are the lights blinking?
They're dimming the lights for takeoff. It is normal.
The engine noise is getting louder.
We are taxiing to the runway.
My hands are sweating a little bit.
Take a deep breath
It is safe.
Okay, I am ready. Hold my hand, Jack.
We watched the safety demo carefully.
Here we go. We are speeding up.
Whoa! I feel pushed back in my seat.
Faster, faster, and liftoff.
We are flying. The cars look like toys.
My ears just popped. Do your ears hurt?
A little. Yawn to fix it. Better.
We are in the clouds now. It is smooth.
Jack, you promised to tell me the secret.
Oh yes, the thing I forgot at the beginning.
Tell me, what was it?
I forgot to turn off the oven at home.
Jack, are you joking?
Yes, I am joking. Relax, Lucy.
You are terrible. But I am happy we are flying.
Thank you for traveling with us today.
Please subscribe for more adventures.
And click the bell to never miss a flight. Goodbye. We took off and started our holiday.